Hey, we're back here. We would like to welcome these folks from Symantec. They are sponsoring a scholarship contest to help support Utah's tech talent, and I know that we probably have a lot in this state. They're offering 4 $10,000 software scholarship awards for high school science, and one scholarship will actually be awarded at each of the 4 regional science fairs. It's intended to encourage high school students to pursue their education in math and science. And we have Brenda and Verdon here. How are you guys doing today?
We're doing great.
Thanks for stopping by. This is pretty exciting because we need to get more kids involved in math and sciences, right?
Exactly. Absolutely.
Okay, tell us about the program.
Well, the program is designed, as you said, to encourage students to study math and sciences. So we do give 4 $10,000 scholarships at the 4 regional science fairs throughout the state of Utah.
Where do they hold these?
They are being held this week. One will be at Southern Utah University, one at BYU, one at the U of U, and one at Weber State. And at each of those fairs, a high school student, grade 9 through 12, will walk away with a $10,000 scholarship if they have a project that involves computer software.
Okay, is this to a school of their choice, or?
It is. They can go to any accredited college or university within the United States.
Okay, so this is going on simultaneously this Saturday?
They are occurring throughout the week.
Oh, throughout the week. Okay.
Throughout the week. Most of them will be Wednesday to Friday.
Where does Utah stack up with kids involved in math and science, the high-tech stuff?
That's a really good question. I think that we probably do okay on average. The problem is we've seen in recent years that there's just all across the country we get fewer and fewer students involved in sciences and math, and so we're hoping that with this kind of scholarship program, kids will get excited about that. When we attend these science fairs and we see the creativity and the ingenuity of these science projects, it's really quite amazing and startling how these kids can come up with these ideas and work with them, and it's really exciting. Whether they have computer programming or not, it's so fun to see what they've done.
Well, everything is just so fast and high-tech these days, and it's important to have this up-and-coming talent all the time, you know, to keep us in pace with the rest of the world. Tell us about your company, Symantec. You guys are high-tech.
Well, Symantec is one of the world's largest software companies. We produce software for both consumer and businesses. We cover security, storage, management. If you've heard of the Norton line of products, that's
Absolutely.
Probably the one that most people associate with.
Exactly.
That's Symantec products and ones that are probably most known.
So in Utah, how many folks do you employ?
We have, go ahead.
Sorry, we have about 500 at our site in Linden, Utah. There's approximately 16,000 to 17,000 worldwide.
Now, are you always, I suppose you were always recruiting people to work there?
We do try and have internship programs at our various sites throughout the country, and we're always looking for new talent.
And one of the hopes that we have, and one of the ways we'll know our scholarship has been successful, is when one of these young students that wins our scholarship comes back and works for Symantec.
That's one of our goals.
No, absolutely. It's a great investment for your company for the future as well. Okay, so how do students get involved? Are they already kind of signed up to do this, or are you just asking everyone to show up and do this?
So for this year, because the science fairs are occurring this week, then student projects are already done, and they're in. If they have a project and it involves programming in any way, they can still sign up for our scholarship when we arrive at the fair this week.
Okay, and quickly, give me an example of what kind of projects you see when you go out to these fairs.
They range anything from, it can be an iPhone app, it can be something that they've programmed in any sort of programming language like Java or C#, C++. We've had kids actually target our scholarship specifically. They work on these throughout the year, and they write these apps so that they can be in our contest.
So is it all computer-based then?
They can be anything from biology to geography or anything, as long as there's a computer programming element within the project.
Okay, so computer programming.
Right.
All right, and we really appreciate you stopping by. That is pretty cool, fascinating stuff, and we're glad to see you guys so involved in it.
It's a lot of fun to give away money.
It is.
That's right, and even better than that, see the rewards that come back as a result of it. Well, thanks so much. We appreciate Symantec taking such a role in the community.
Appreciate your time.
Okay, let's check out the weather. Debbie's keeping an eye on that for us.